white hair instead of brown.
Cool though.
Oh my god, he's wearing a suit and a fucking sword, dude. You're not Japanese, buddy. Stop trying to be.
He's better than fucking Afro Samurai.
You just saying that because you don't like black.
Yeah, I was gonna say fucking black.
I have this like yellow ring around my monitor.
But he's not Sonic.
And barriers, and then just propels.
I see trees of green.
Dude, he's gonna get demonetized. Shut up!
Wow! Look at your black ass.
Lol.
Fuck.
So hamor.
So
Hentai videos and juicy talk.
So much editing.
hentai videos and juicy talk. Y'all fuck with Pt.5.
Juicy
What the fuck
talk.
is that?
Why the fuck I'm playing with Alucard?
Juicy chat AI. This
Juicy
is
chat
a porn
AI.
AI. Muslim
Whoa,
or nun?
What?
Stacy. Lunatica.
Lunatica.
Muslim.
That
Oh,
sounds like
lot.
a black ass name. Bible
It's
can't
a
victim.
Muslim.
So how are people
on.
changing their names? This guy's name is Bible can't victim. Daddy Saint. Okay.
Amy Rose. Okay. Dream Boy. My dick is throbbing. Not at here. This band me.
All right,
What?
the
Lord.
Tough Shells versus the Shock.
It's a tough world out there. What the fuck?
Let's get this started.
And Power Shift is underway. It's a constant battle for control of the platform to get it moving in the right direction.
Spot on, June. And as command of the platform shifts, so will the power and the cash earnings in the game.
Holy fuck, this game looks tough.
A contestant is dishing
Oh,
out
it's
some
this game.
Good riddance.
On this thing.
That was our first elimination of this match. And in order
Have you guys ever had an incestuous relationship with
Well,
your
I saw that one
sister?
coming, June.
You could have stopped that incestuous, buddy. I did not need to hear the fucking rest of it.
it's why you're the expert.
You could have blocked that part out.
You could have blocked all of it out. But, like, if we're going to be generous, we could have just stopped that. There was nothing you could have said after that. Would have saved it.
Anticipation as the Shock and Awe are the first to own the platform, taking it by storm. Bring up.
And then he misses, and then I win because this guy missed his arrow shot. I'm so good at the game.
Firmly entrenched.
You're so beautiful.
What the hell are you welcome drink?
Chat. Do I download Dead by Daylight?
No, for the love
It's
of
not-
God.
Let me say it is bad, but it's
Don't
not
you.
as bad.
Yeah,
is that bad.
I played it. I used to play it.
The Shock
Super
and Awe
fun
are
game.
dictating the
I think it's
game
only
plan.
cancer and high elo where people like bring flashlights and they yell at you if you use that one thing that prevents you from being flashed.
Heaven forbid you use like half of the mechanics within the game.
No, yeah.
Literally 1984.
There's this perk that's called I think it's called Light Down. There's this perk called Light Down, right? And it literally just prevents you from being flashed, and people call you cancer for using it, even though they'll run an entire comp with 4 people with a flash.
How about use this little fucking boon called metal pipe into your brain? How about that, dude?
What is
My
this?
various boons.
Is he a good game?
I remember seeing this streamer that was like a killer and he was like raging. He was like, "You're calling them boons." He was like, it was like, just kept losing it. It was so hilarious because he got so mad over nothing. They were just using basic Like basic stuff, a basic build. He just lost it.
Basic.
As he was playing like, I think it was like Chucky or something. The most comp villain, like comp killer.
Chat, do I play Overlude?
The shock and awe
What is
charging
that?
forward
It's a
as they reach the midpoint. Will the opposing
Guys,
team
I have a
reach
game
the
called Monster Girl Island Prologue.
Dead by Daylight might be better at this point.
DVD isn't that bad of a game. It's cancer. I think that's what makes the game bad, is how cancer
Only
I think it's just so unbalanced.
is. It's like playing Killer is the most aged shit to ever do.
And then playing Survivor is just, they're both aged because every other patch there's like something that's just broken on both sides.
Yeah. I love playing. I genuinely love playing.
I'm back here.
Killer. It's so fun. It's just I don't know. It's annoying.
You have to like nerf yourself, like not use like half of the mechanics, otherwise people just say that you're a sweat and like hate you.
Yeah,
Like,
I mean,
just...
now what if I mute all chat and I think I fixed it a lot.
Well, it doesn't fix the imbalances and everything. It's just
I thought, what the fuck is this game? Senren Kagura Peach Flash. And it's a whole bunch of anime women in suits that swim.
hey man, you might want to get that.
I have it.
The only negative is that you can't bleed the fish and gut them. That's the only part of the gameplay loop that it's missing.
Like,
Liberals! Only liberals.
I have Dark Deception. I think I've heard about that game before.
Who gives a fuck?
Me.
You can't even run this shit.
Bro.
True to their name, the tough shells are refusing to crack under the pressure. They still have the platform.
Lol. That'll do it to you.
Really shot in my RPG. Literally shot him dead in the fucking face, and it hit me and not him. And I somehow still got.
Aim higher. Aim higher.
Lol.
Hit yourself if you aim higher.
We've got motion. The shock and awe are on the offensive. Destruction, determination, fast-paced action, and skill. We have it all here today, folks.
Fuck here! You fucking loser!
Fucking Paris, dude. Chill, bro. It's not worth it.
Literally just run away.
Run.
You slam down. I don't want to touch the
Run away. Run away.
Sniped by a little
Today. Special delivery.
The tough shells are a presence on that platform.
And the shock and awe are now the masters of the platform.
That sucks.
I think you like. Not a big fan of that. Of the Liberal Party.
I have a horror game I can play. Y'all down to watch or what?
Is it Dead by Daylight or is it Phasmophobia?
It's neither. This is it is the Evil Within. It's the Evil
Which one? Is that the one Zoo game?
Would you take a hit of the whippet?
30 seconds left for our
You said, is that the one what?
Change the game.
No, there was like a zoo game, with like a giant giraffe. I was like,
No, that's not the Evil Within.
screens that chat. It was
Take a
not
hit of the
me.
whippet.
10 seconds.
My teammate is slow.
Yep.
Time or we're gonna.
It's not about winning, Peyton. It's about having
What the
fun.
fuck is the point of playing and I can't win?
Because you enjoyed the ride along the way.
Oh my god, we won.
See,
An
when you
incredible
have
match concludes
fun,
with the shock and
you
awe as the
always win.
victors. And with that, we'll see you next time at the finals.
I got 10 elims and 9 assists. Fuck. It's like they kill everyone.
Kill everyone.
Oh damn.
Week
Holy God,
1.
close to this. So when you win, I think you get like 4 battle pass levels.
Battle pass.
There, I was right here yesterday. No, earlier today. Now I am level 60. 60. 69 god.
Straight up.
In club straight up corking it. And by it, I mean the 2013 Josh.
Yep.
Who fucked with the Josh?
Aim for the stars.
I fuck with the Josh.
Who up Josh in their jaw right now?
Who up jerking their Josh? Who up playing with they Josh? Me? You know what I'm saying? Straight up Josh in it. What am I doing?